Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Cloud Monitoring Alerts for Compute Engine, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Cloud Monitoring Alerts for Compute Engine, start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Monitoring section in the main menu. On the left sidebar, find and click on Alerting. Click on the Create Policy button to start a new alerting policy. Select the resource type as Virtual Machine Instance to monitor your Compute Engine instances. Under Conditions, click Add Condition to define what event will trigger an alert. Choose a metric to monitor, such as CPU utilization or disk I/O. Set the configuration for the metric selected, including threshold values for alert triggers. Specify the duration for which the condition must be met before the alert is sent. Next, scroll down to define the notification channels. Click Add Notification Channel to specify how you want to be notified, such as email or SMS. If you haven't set up any notification channels yet, click on the Notification Channels link to create one. Once your notification channel is created, return to your alerting policy. Select the channel you just set up from the list provided. Optionally, set additional details such as alert name and documentation. Review your alerting policy settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Finally, click the Save button to activate your monitoring alert. Your Google Cloud Monitoring Alerts for Compute Engine are now configured and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.